Couple packing puzzles from Vladimir Krasnoukhov. There's the red circle puzzle and the black square puzzle. So in each of these, you're gonna have to, you'll see there's a little shape there. So the circle is gonna fit into the frame with all those green pieces. And on this puzzle, the black square up top there is gonna fit into the frame with all the red pieces. So let's try to do the red circle here. Just wanna see if I can, this one looks a little easier. I figure maybe I could do it on camera here, because you can actually see, you can see where the circle will fit in eventually, like kind of, not obviously it's not going to go there exactly, but you can kind of see the general outline of the puzzle, or the circle piece. So now the problem is going to be is finding a spot where Now here's the other interesting thing. There's some of these pieces are triangular and some of them are more square. So you kind of see there, that actually fits pretty well like that. Now if I take that piece out, so it actually fits in there a bit, but then there's dead space. So I think maybe I'll just try a few different spots. Like that one actually fits well there, looks like it does. And that fits well there. So that's the other part too of this, is that you have pieces that can flip one way or the other. So you're actually never quite sure which orientation is going to end up being correct. I would say that this one's not going to be, because obviously that's not going to fit in there well. So, and that actually doesn't fit super well there either. But I wonder if, oh, there we go. Okay, so that fits well there. That one would maybe go there. And now I'm back to the start. So that is actually the starting orientation right there that this whole puzzle was in. And I believe because this would come out and then this piece would like fit in there. Yeah, this looks like this is the starting orientation there. But let me try this one more time here. Let's see if, so obviously I'd say that is not, it's not going to go up in that corner. So I wonder if there's a different way. Let's try it like this. Let's try build it outside the frame and see what I can figure out here. So here's the other thing too I was looking at, is there's definitely some of these sides are the same length. So I'm wondering if you won't be able to figure something out based on some of that length stuff, where they're gonna fit together well. Maybe something like that. So let's see. Those two sides are very similar. No, that's definitely not going to fit there. So maybe I'm wrong on that. Ooh, that's close. I mean, obviously, I'm not getting that one in there. But I'm wondering if all the pieces are not, I would say, not going to be around the circle there. That's actually fairly close if you look at it. I'm not super far off with that. But I would suggest that maybe Maybe there's going to be pieces that aren't in quite the orientation you'd think. And actually, this is interesting too, because all the square pieces work right into that, like that piece like that. And then I wonder if the two of these wouldn't make like the rest of that square almost. Oh, that's just so close right there. It's just a slightly too big. See, I feel like that's actually fairly close, and there's something I'm just missing there. But yeah, maybe we won't be solving that today. But that is the red circle from Vladimir Krasnoukhov. But the black square I showed you already. And then there's actually 3 different puzzles that aren't in acrylic. So these ones are acrylic. These 3 are Vladimir Krasnoukhov designs made by a company called Recent Toys. And so these ones are actually made out of wood, but they're a very similar idea. So in each one of them, there's a different shape that you'll have to fit in. Now the interesting thing is these ones have a lot of dead space in there. As you can see, these ones, there's tiny little, like just loose pieces almost that'll make up the entirety of that diamond piece that'll fit in there. Same thing on this one. So like the triangle, you can see it's loose a bit, and eventually you'll just have to tighten up that looseness and fit that diamond piece there, the triangle piece in there. And then the diamond is a diamond here and a diamond piece there that you got to fit in. So that's 3 puzzles that are from Vladimir Krasnoukhov, made by Recent Toys. And yeah, really good stuff. If you like this design, there's lots of these, and we have more available on the website, puzzlemaster.ca.